Hello everyone, Balgan here, and welcome back to some more of the funniest animal videos. This is why all treats have different types of value.
Now that's what I'm talking about.
Ooh, big stretch. Get in the car. You don't have no problem in that jean jacket, huh? Get on your side. Edna Jane, you have a problem in the jean jacket. You think you fancy. Get in the car. Like your daddy. Puppy. Get in the car. Get on your side. Go get in your bed. Go ahead.
This is beautiful to see. The dogs are making a fuss and they're just going directly to their spot. You can do this at home too. All it takes is training. Who the heck organized this fight? The ref ain't doing their job.
Culera.
No me
Pinche
creo,
perra.
soy verga.
A mí no me estás cagando el palo, mierda. A mí no me estás cagando el palo. ¿A poco crees que no te puedo meter una verguiza porque soy joto?
No,
Pinche
no,
perra.
dame.
Pinches escándalos que andamos haciendo aquí en las calles de
Pues
Monclova.
vamos y me puteo a todas.
Vamos a ver si es cierto,
Y
mierda.
al fin de cada...
Some puppy shenanigans.
Shut up, it is not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Is this dog possessed?
Padre, del Hijo, del Espíritu Santo. Amén, mi amor.
Why did you stop? Keep the belly rubs coming. The dog decided it's tornado season.
The perfect example of a relationship. 1 second she loves him. Next she is storming off and he has no idea why.
Booty swerving. At least it's on the pad and not on the floor. Now your dog will scratch at all doors to get in. This dog wants a new owner.
Hi. Hi. I'm home.
Now this is definitely not how you should give your dogs a nail trim. The best way to clip your dog's nails is to put them in a side submission.
In the river below. What will it be, Mr. Bond?
Come on, dude.
Teletubbies.
Subbies Tinky Winky, Dipsy, and motherfucking Pup.
This dog has gone feral. Now this is a symbiotic relationship we all need. Dog turned out looking like a lionfish. Beware, this dog has psychic powers.
What's a command you accidentally taught your dog?
This dog takes their job really seriously.
Do we see which one's the crunchiest? No. Today we find out which food is the crunchiest.
This dog puts most children to shame. Look how much they love their fruits and veggies.
Next is bok choy. Next is cabbage. Lastly, we have celery.
Whose dog is that?
Hello? Hello? Hi. Hi. Hi, baby.
I see a detective in the making. These dogs are ready to colonize this man's home.
Scooching right here if you don't mind.
Jump scaring a husky. The next upcoming volleyball superstar. What a big mouth. I don't want this garbage. A monkey as a pet is probably one of the worst ideas ever.
Покажи, как ты с горочки катаешься. Прокатись с горочки.
Alexa.
That cat on the top looks very nice. It looks almost like a snow leopard. Do you have Amazon Prime?
Water park? Water park? Oh shit. You okay? Are you a fool?
Here's one way to traumatize a cat. This is what they were born to do. Why you mad? Is that dog trying to eat glass? This dog walks up the stairs better than some humans.
Stay.
Wait! Get out!
Trust me, you don't want to go in there. This ain't even fair. Dude traveled almost 3 times.
Oh. Oh my goodness.
What are you doing in my shower? Did you know you can train your dogs with water?
I'm Popeye the Sailor Man. I'm Popeye the Sailor Man.
I found this dog's favorite jam. Why you gotta be so rude? This box needs some insurance. What's that brown stuff? Stop wearing those socks. You look like a bum, the cat said.
Look.
What a freaky cat. I'm coming to save you, Princess Peach. Life contemplation. Cat PTSD in the making.
No, you're going to your own home if you keep traumatizing my cat. Look at him. Look at him. He is traumatized. He is traumatized.
There's a bit of a clogging problem.
Gotta start the day with a cold plunge. Deny. Deny. Deny.
Look at what the fuck I just came home to. Goose.
What y'all?
This dog has that patriotic spirit.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
Help, help, help. Alicia. Oh my god.
The best session of patty cake ever had.
Yeah.
This is almost in perfect sync. Paw command is probably one of the worst commands you can teach.
Hey Milo, I have a sandwich.
Oh.
Anyways guys, those were some more of the funniest animal videos. If you did enjoy, please leave a like and subscribe. And as always, please be mindful of your pets and take care.